3个颜色都有啊。Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to give you a haul of everything I picked up this weekend, starting off with Ikea. So I picked up these cushion covers. I was getting a little bit tired of the ones I had. So this one is linen, kind of this kind of beige fabric, and then this one is like a cream. It has all these pom-poms all over it. So that's these two items. Next item that I picked up is, is this wall hanging, and it is here. If you can see it. And I picked up a bath mat and a little kind of rolling skinny thing. You know, I have space issues, so I guess I can show you the bath mat. I just needed something new. And then, so this is, if I could show you the bath mat. That's the bath mat there. In this beige color. And so, just gonna tell you the breakdown of these items. Oops. So for this pillow, excuse me, this one was $2.99 for the cover. It does have some ties in the back, and it is a linen fabric. And then the one with the pom-poms, so this one, the name of this item is called Aina, A-I-N-A. So you can look that up on the Ikea website, A-I-N-A. Cushion cover. And then this one with the pom-poms is, well, it's, I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's called Tag Hakmal, which is T-A-G-H-A-K-M-A-L for this one, and Aina, A-I-N-A. The wall hanging heart, believe it or not, that was 99 cents. And that is called Vatlosa, V-A-T-T-L-O-S-A. And it's something that's discontinued, but I kind of have a theme in here of a few hearts here and there. The bath mat is called T-O-F-T-B-O, Toftbo, T-O-F-T-B-O bath mat. And that's in a beige color for $9.99. So those are the items I picked up. I did get this other item too. I'll just show you. And it is this, if you can see it, this 3-tier kind of trolley thing. Very skinny, so it fits in tight spaces. And that was called Vesken Cart, V-E-S-K-E-N. So yeah, those are all the items I picked up at Ikea on the weekend. So next I'm going to show you some other items I picked up. I went to Miniso and I got some more laundry bags. You just put your delicates in this, and your bras, or you have finer things you don't want to get caught, like you know, like a nice t-shirt or some of your Skims, any kind of fancy undergarments, you know, or you can put socks in here too, and then you'll know where all your socks are. And then I wanted to try out the rollers. I got these also from Miniso. They're Care Bears, kind of cute, but I just wanted to try these fat rollers with my bangs. So those were the two things that I picked up from Miniso. Love that store for just little knickknacks, kind of cuter than dollar store. So then my biggest haul I got, oh, one more item. I went to Vaughan Mills on the weekend. So if you live here in Toronto, you know Vaughan Mills Mall. I got this trucker cap in this beige color, just for the beach. They had them in all the colors, red, black, green, an array of colors. I should have taken, I think I did take a video there, so I'll try to insert it, of that Bass Pro shop. So that's that. So then I picked up some items from Old Navy. There's one kid's bathing suit. They did have 50% off swimwear. Sorry guys, this is Monday and they only had it for the weekend, but check, they always have some sort of promotion going on. And this little terry cloth dress, so if you have a small person in your life, they have some cute things. This dress came in like pink, orange, this color pattern. This is like a navy or a gray. So, and also I picked up this swimsuit bottom for myself. I just needed the bottom. I just wanted a plain bottom, and don't know the name of this one, but it fits really well. This is a size large. The kids' items were also extra large and large in the kids' dress, but yeah. So they had the promotion on bathing suits and one more kids' bathing suit. Although I might swap this one out, it's a little bit dark. But yeah. So if you have a little person in your life, there's another bathing suit, 60% off. And then I bought this blouse. Such a cute top for this time of year. It's got ruching in the back. Sorry about the noise. Yeah, so it's, I don't know how, I can't remember how you call this, but this is like a sweetheart neckline. The empire waist comes out, and I just have it on with like shorts. So, and this top was in a solid red, white, and a blue stripe. I think it's $44.99. They did have, I think, 40 off on the weekend, or 20 off. And then you got to use your super cash that you accumulated over the last month or so. So then I also purchased some kind of workout type items. This is a pair of bike shorts, size large, in this kind of floral pattern, just like the green, and like the pattern also, just for something different. And these bike shorts are regular $29.99, but again, you could use your super cash on the weekend. And then I purchased, I also got this workout top. I'm trying to be, I'm trying to go to the gym or be more active, as it is summer now. And this is navy blue, and I think this was around $10. They had it on promotion. I just like the cutouts in the back. It is a bit hard to find sizes and whatnot in there, I have to say. And then I also picked up this sweatshirt in this green color. It says New York. This is a small, so this is an oversized item. So just keep that in mind. You could go down a size, or you could just stay with your sizing. And then these two items, like, they work together. Or I think the green and the navy is okay too, right? Or I should just get a white top for that. And also, I did pick up this t-shirt. Also, again, I was like on a green kick. And this one says California. Oversized tee in a size medium. Like the fit on the medium. That would probably go well with the bike shorts. And I forgot one more kid's top. So butterfly. And last item, like, you go to Old Navy every year. I'm sure everyone picks up a pair of flip-flops. So I got these kind of Hawaiian inspired navy blue flip-flops for the beach. And that's everything that I picked up this weekend. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I may do a styling with some of the items I purchased, but most of it's just like workout stuff. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and also please like and subscribe, because I love doing like shopping and styling videos.